Yes, dear students, the internal DTT, I think some problem in my system. So you execute on your system, it will work. Now I am going to show you the external one. You see, external means what? There will be two files separately, okay? So in the page number 99, you see the declaration part, it will be separate file, and the coding part, it will be separate file. Now declaration part, in the second window you see page number 99, 5.11. This is your declaration part. This you will create a file in the notepad, and you will save the file as item.dtd. You can see in the page number 99, 5.10. In the second line you see after system it is written item.dtt. So same file name you will give item.dtt, or else you can see here item.dtt I have given. So that will be a file in the notepad, and you will save it in the same folder. So remember that in the same folder you have to save, and here you have to give in the internal DTT you have given yes. Here you have to give no. Here you will give no. Now rest all are same, and I will show you the internal DTT also how I made it. That means the declaration part I have separated. Let me show you. See, this is your item. I want to show you the properties. What is the extension? You see XML document type definition. Already I have not given any title here, okay? Only I have saved the file as item.dtt. So type of file it came XML type definition.dtt. So here I can try to open this file. As a notepad. See how I have written. In this file only this portion will be there. So this portion, the declaration part will be in the separate file, and the extension will be .dtt. That one you have to remember. And another file that will be the coding part. So 5.10 is the coding part, and the content of item.dtt already given in your book, that will be the separate two files. So the 5.10 file I have saved as external DTT. Where it is, I want to show. Here is the external DTT. So I want to show you again. In the notepad you have to write this way, and in the internal the declaration part item.dtt I have already shown. Now I am going to show you by executing the file. So this file, the first file external DTT, you will give save as. I am again showing you by opening it. You will give save as, see, external DTT.xml. Remember that this file you will save it as 5.10 window in page number 99. You have to save this file as file name .xml, and in the second one, second picture, that means 5.11, you have to save it as item.dtt. So here then only it will be linked up. You can see. So this is the file. See, here I have saved external dtt.xml. So I don't want to replace again, just I am showing you how to solve, how to save. So this is the file. Now I am showing the output, how the output will come. Where is the external DTT? This is the external DTT. Let me plus come out first. Now I will open external DTT. This is the output you see. Here you see item system item.dtt. Where is the code here? What is the element declared, data type? that will be called as item.dtt. So from there they will they will read the data type definition, document type definition. So this is the two files, it will be linked with this line. The linked line is this one. So this is called external DTT. I think I can explain you the internal DTT and external DTT. So today you try the both one, and next part you see in page number 99, the keyboard system or public. See here the keyword system it is given. System means what? Very important part you can underline. System means it indicates that the DTT is stored on the local hard disk. That means the data type definition, document type definition that you have stored in the item.dtt, where it is situated in your system, in your personal computer, and just you are calling that file in your system only by coding. Okay, so this is why you are giving system. Now say you are connected with the internet through server, and you want to include some file which is externally stored in some device, not in your system. Then you will give public, but you have to know the file name, like item.dtt. So in the server what name it has been saved, you have to know the file name, and just you give instead of system the public, then that file will be included on your document. So this is the difference between system and public. So this much today you do practice.